Society teaches you how to make cards, or are you building a vault? You are being robbed every single day, and you are thanking the thief. They taught you to go to school, get a job, and save your dollars in a bank account. They called it playing it safe. But fiat currency is a melting ice cube. Inflation is the silent tax on your ignorance. While you save paper that loses value by the hour, the top 1% are buying the world. True wealth doesn't hold cash. True wealth holds hard assets, real estate, businesses, precious metals, things the system cannot print out of thin air. Stop hoarding paper that burns. Start owning the fire. Everyone loves a 50% discount at the mall, but when Wall Street goes on sale, everyone runs for their lives. Pessimism sounds smart. It sounds like you're protecting yourself. But in the world of wealth, pessimism is just an expensive mistake. While the masses sell their future out of fear, the 1% are quietly shopping. They don't see a crash. They see a clearance sale on the greatest companies in the world. Optimism is often dismissed as a scam, but over long periods, it's the only strategy that actually pays. Stop listening to the noise of the fearful. Start following the logic of the wealthy. The greatest trick the system ever played was convincing you that a salary is safety. You trade your time to make someone else rich. You pay the highest taxes. You take all the risk, but get none of the leverage. The poor and the middle class work for money. The 1%? They build systems that make money work for them. A job is a short-term solution to a long-term problem. Until you separate your time from your income, you will never truly be free. Are you building your dream, or are you hired to build someone else's? The biggest financial lie you were ever told, that your house is an asset. The middle class buys things that take money out of their pockets. Expensive cars, big mortgages, designer clothes. They call it success. The wealthy call it a trap. An asset puts money in your pocket, whether you work or not. A liability takes money out. It is that simple. If you lose your job tomorrow, your liabilities will eat you alive. Your assets will feed you. Look around your room. How many things are making you richer, and how many are keeping you poor? They told you the tax system was built to punish the rich. That was the greatest illusion of all. When you work a job, the government takes their cut before you even see your paycheck. You earn, they take, and you live on what is left. The 1% play a different game. They don't evade taxes, they master the rules. They build corporate shields. They harvest their capital strategically. They earn, they spend, and they only pay taxes on the leftovers. Wealth isn't just about how much you make. It is about how much you keep. If you don't own a system, the system owns you. Are you playing by the rules of the employee or the rules of the owner?